Open your school website and go to Dashboard. Click on Generate ID Cards option. Select the batch name for which you want to generate ID cards. For example, dummy batch. Choose student, teacher or other for generating ID cards for respective category. For now we will select student to generate student ID cards. All the students in the selected batch will be listed in the Choose Template option. Choose the ID card template, like custom horizontal or custom vertical. If you have chosen custom horizontal, this is how the ID cards will look like. You can click on the preview button next to students detail to see how the details will look on the template. You can also change the background color of the ID cards to suit your school's brand theme. For example, a color similar to the logo color. So set your favorite color and click on the preview button to see how it will look. Isn't that amazing? You can check the same for other students as well by clicking on the preview button. To change institute info, click on Edit Institute Info. Then make your changes and click on Save. If you prefer the ID card design in portrait layout, you can select Custom Vertical from Choose Template option. Wonderful! Your student's ID card is ready to be downloaded now. Click on the download button to download the individual ID card. To download all the ID cards, batch-wise, click on Zip. Or to have a preview of the same as a single PDF file, click on PDF. Now let us see how to generate ID cards for teachers. For this, first select Teacher Profile to get the list of teachers. Select the template and click on the preview button to see how it will look. To create ID cards for specific designations, you can choose the other option in Select Profile. Write the designation and click on OK. Well done. Now you have learned how to create ID cards for student, teacher and other designation. To know more, visit attendanceguru.com.